Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Time now is 3 minutes past 8 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Joviantay, First Officer Mel Cruz, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you.